Hi guys. Oh my god. I got my helicopter just today. I ordered it. I got it from Noel Lehman. That's what it looks like. I might not have the batteries. Just want to open it this way. Okay. I opened it. I opened it. Oh my god. Yeah, it has a charger. This is the charger, guys. Wait, what? Yeah, it has a charger. Comes with the charger. Gonna put this over there. Trying to get it. Technical difficulties. Where's the controller at yet? Here's the instruction manual. Is this the right way? Yeah, so he turned off the lights. Indicator light. Transmitter. 8+ ages. Yeah, I'm 8, guys. Yeah, look at this later. It's so loud. I broke it already. Ow! What the? Okay, got the controller here. I got the controller. Sheesh. Okay, let's see. Hand sensor, auto land. This is the left trim, right trim, hand sensor. Okay, yeah, it's pretty hard. Let's see. Oh no. Let's see. Let's see. There's this thing. Yeah, no batteries in this. What's this thing? Yeah, I think I'm pretty. I need my dad's help. I'll be back, guys. I need my dad's help. I'll be back. Papa! I need your help. Papa, I need your help. Why? All I need is batteries. It came with the charger. I'll show you. Here, guys. It came with this. Okay, I'll be back, guys. It came with this. Yeah, like your one. I'm not.
This is not for electricity.
Yes, I know. Okay, should I get the controller out? Hand sensor. Oh, here we got difficulties. Technical difficulties. Okay, yeah, guys. Here it all is. This is all of it. All this and this. This too. Okay, guys. If we can hit 1,000 likes, I'll make a part 2. Okay? Sound good? Okay, peace.